Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of a divided by 2 times of a is equals to 2, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. First we solve this problem for all the values of a, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first step we are going to do is first we move the term 2a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as the square root of a is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 times of a. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and this will be written as square root of a equals to, we have 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4 times of a. So here we need to remove the radical sign from left hand side, and for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and when we apply squaring it will becomes square root of a whole square equals to 4 times of a and its whole square. And now in the next step we have these 2 and square root are gone, and we get a is equals to, here we apply square separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square multiplied by a square. And in the next step we have a is equals to 4 square becomes 16, and a square becomes here a square. And further in the next step we move the term a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes 16 times of a square minus a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide both of these two equations into the two cases. Here we will take common a, and when we take common a we get the remaining values are, from here we get 16 times of a minus, from here we get 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 16a minus 1 equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get 16a is equals to plus 1. And now for the values of a we divide both of the sides by 16 in order to get the other root. This 16 and this 16 are gone, and we get a is equals to 1 divided by 16. This is the second root of the given equation which we get here in this method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this values of a be the solution, or is this values of a be the extraneous root. So for verification of these values we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of a divided by 2 times of a is equals to 2, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 1 over 16. So we will verify both of these two roots. And now first we check the behavior of a is equals to 0, and when we put a equals to 0 in this equation it will be written as a 0 over 0 form is equals to 2. So you see that our left hand side becomes a 0 over 0 form, or we usually call that it is indeterminate form, or this is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we will be called that a equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now here we verify the second value of a, and we put a equals to 1 over 16 into the left hand side, and it will becomes 1 divided by 16 and its whole square root divided by 2 times of 1 divided by 16 is equals to 2 or not. This is the our claim. And further we need more simplifications here, and we have Here you very well know about that the square root of 1 becomes 1 and the square root of 16 becomes 4, divided by, here we have 2 times 8 becomes 16, and we get 1 divided by 8, and we check that is this equals to 2 or not. So here we need a little bit more simplification, and now we rewrite this term as 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 1 is equals to 2, and this implies that 4 times 2 becomes 8, and we easily get here 2 equals to 2. This shows that the value a is equals to 1 over 16 is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem, which we get here from first method, is a equals to 1 over 16. This is the only one solution which we get here in this method, and this is our final answer. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So in second method, we first copy down given question statement. Here it is a square root of a divided by 2a is equals to 2. So our second method be the straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solutions out of this problem. So here first we rewrite this a as into the form of product of two radicals. So we write a as a square root of a multiplied by square root of a is equals to 2. And now you see here this square root of a and this square root of a are gone, and we move 2 times square root of a to the right hand side. In the left hand side we get 1. This 2 times 2 becomes 4 times of square root of a. So here our target is to find the values of a. So for this we apply squaring on both of the sides, and we have the square of 1 becomes 1, the square of 4 becomes 16, the square of square root of a becomes here a only. And further in the next step we move the term 16 to the left hand side, and it will be written as 1 divided by 16 is equals to a. So this is the value of a which we get here from second method, but in the first method we already verified that this value of a is satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is a equals to 1 over 16. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.